Welcome students of class 7 in our online class. Students, you know very well in our last video we have completed our chapter number 2 and now turn to book work and question answer of this chapter. So look at your books at page number 16 and question number 1. Use words from the chapters to complete this sentence. ये जो सेंटेंस आप लोगों को दिया गया है, इन सेंटेंस को आपको चैप्टर के रीडिंग के बिहाफ पर कंप्लीट करना है. सच एज द साइक्लोप्स लिव्ड इन, साइक्लोप्स जो थे वो कहाँ पर रहते थे? केव्स. तो साइक्लोप्स लिव्ड इन केव्स. गिव मी सम मिल्क टू ड्रिंक एंड ब्रेड टू ईट. हु इज़ द ऑनर ऑफ दिस हाउस? फोर्थ, द लाउड नॉइज ऑलमोस्ट डिफेंड अस. And fifth is I was about to meet him. Sixth is the shepherd had a large flock of sheep. 7. We saw a gleaming light from a distance. 8. The succeeded in capturing the giant shark. 9th, you have killed them. You can't be a noble person. So you see students, first options filled with caves, second milk and bread, third honor, fourth defend, fifth about, sixth flock of sheep, seventh glimmering, eighth capturing, ninth killed and 10th tied. And now come to B. Insert the missing letters. Insert the missing letter to complete these words. First is milk, second is honor, third is giant, fourth is inside, fifth is carry, sixth is ships, seventh sight, eighth ship, ninth glass and 10th suddenly. Now come to question number 2. Write whether these statements are true or false. On the behalf of chapter, you have to told that these statements are true and false. So first is the cyclops were giant shepherds. It is a true statement. They tiled the land. False. They could not know tiling and cropping. And third is the cyclops saw some of Ulysses' men. It is true statement. Ulysses asked him to be merciful to them. It is also true. And fifth, the cyclops killed and ate 2 of the Ulysses' men. True statement. Ulysses did not dare to kill the sleeping giant. This is false statement. The cyclops was given wine to drink. True. The cyclops was blinded. This is true. Ulysses was a very cunning person. This is also true. And the other giants come to help the blind cyclops. This is false statement. Now answers the following questions briefly. Question number 1. Where did Ulysses and his men reached? Where did Ulysses and his men reached? Ulysses and his men reached the land of Cyclops. Ulysses and his men reached the land of Cyclops. Second is, who were the Cyclops and where did they live? Answer is, the Cyclops were giant shepherds with one eye each in the middle of their forehead. They lived in caves. And the third is, where did Ulysses and his men take shelter? Where did Ulysses and his men take shelter? Ulysses and his men took shelter in a cave. Ulysses and his men took shelter in a cave. Fourth, why were their ears deafened in the evening? Why were their ears deafened in the evening? Fourth is, their ears were deafened in the evening because the voice of the incoming owner of the cave was very loud. Fifth is, what did the cyclope do? Answer is, the cyclope drove his flock of sheep into the cave. He placed a very big stone in the entrance to serve as a doctor. And sixth is, who answered the cyclops questions? What was the question? Who answered the cyclops question? What was the question? Answer is, Ulysses answered the cyclops question. The cyclope asked him his name. Cyclope asked him his name. 7 is, How many of the Grecians were killed and eaten up? How many of the Grecians were killed and eaten up? Answer is 6 Grecians were killed and eaten up by the Cyclops. And eighth is, why did Ulysses sharpen the edge of 6 foot long piece of wood? Answer is, he did so to blind the giant by piercing it into his eyes. Students, as you seen, there are 10 questions in this exercise, and we have only completed 8 questions and answer. You have also written 8 questions answer in your notebook, and fill the book work in your book. Now the chapter second is completed. You have to learn chapter number 1 and chapter number 2 for unit 1 exam in the end of May. So today's work complete. Okay, and bye.